Ever wonder why your English feels like a broken robot trying to solve a complex math puzzle? You study massive word lists until your eyes bleed, but you still freeze when a barista asks a question. The hidden secret is that your brain is struggling to glue tiny individual vocabulary bricks together. Stop treating English like a giant bucket of loose Lego pieces that you have to assemble in a panic. Native speakers do not actually think about grammar rules because they use prepackaged logic units. Think of these units as fast food meals where everything you need is already inside the cardboard box. If you learn the phrase, by the way, instead of three separate words, your speed will double instantly. Your tongue will finally stop tripping over itself because you are simply reciting a familiar melody. Imagine being at a party and someone asks what you did today while you just stand there like a statue. A normal student tries to find the verb and the tense and the object while the silence gets awkward. A smart learner just pulls out a giant block of sound like, I just hung out at home, without any stress. You are essentially stealing the shortcuts that native speakers have been using since they were kids. This method is called phrase harvesting because you are gathering whole expressions from the wild. Watch a movie and look for the groups of words that characters say together in a single breath of air. Do not write down the word think because it is lonely and useless without some friendly companions. Instead, write down, I was thinking that, so your brain remembers the rhythm of a real human sentence. Your mouth is a muscle that needs to practice these specific movements until they feel totally natural. It is like learning a dance routine where you do not think about your toes, but the flow of the music. Most textbooks are like boring instruction manuals for a car that nobody actually knows how to drive. You do not need to be a linguistic genius to sound impressive during a casual chat with your friends. You just need a toolbox full of reliable expressions that work in almost every social situation imaginable. Think about how often you say, how is it going, without ever pausing to analyze the grammar behind it. That is the power of a mental shortcut, because it bypasses the slow and clunky parts of your logic. If you start collecting these verbal gems today, your confidence will reach the moon in just a few weeks. Stop apologizing for your mistakes and start using the prefabricated structures that eliminate errors. Every time you hear a cool expression in a podcast, grab it and repeat it until you can say it in your sleep. This is the shortcut to sounding like a local without spending 20 years living in a foreign country. Why spend hours on boring grammar drills when you can just master the art of the perfect verbal chunk?